Right, YouTube, so welcome to another video. It's been a very long time. I can't even remember whether I've done one in 2023. I should probably have looked before I filmed this intro, but oh well. Basically I've moved house at the beginning of the year, and I've spent every waking hour doing DIY and building a garden shed, which seemed to take many days. But I'll do that in another video, because I want to give you a bit of a garage workshop update, and I didn't want to put it in this in case people just wanted to tune in just to actually watch the main content for this video. This is just a very quick video. Basically, Spring Action Day is coming up very soon, so I wanted to sort of have a little bit of a spruce up in the engine bay. What I'm planning on doing is trying to tidy up the rocker cover bolts. I'm also going to spray the spark plug cover black. I'm also going to try and do something with the Jubilee clips on my homemade induction kit. I don't really like the way they look, and I looked for some black ones and they were something saying like £5 each. I couldn't bring myself to spend like 40 quid on like several black Jubilee clips, so I'm going to try and do something to sort of make them look a bit better. So yeah, let's get cracking. Right, so 4 10mm bolts to get the cover off. Right, so I sanded it down with some 600 sandpaper, surprisingly. I've given it a coat of primer, and then it started snowing, so I quickly put it inside. Now the sun's back out, so I'm going to give it another coat of primer now. Little mark there, I might try and stand out. So yeah, let's give it another coat of primer. So I've done one coat. It's not very consistent. The spray can was being a bit of a dickhead, so I thought I'd better stop, otherwise I'll end up with too thick a coat on the ends and then it'll look pretty shit. So yeah, I'll leave this to dry and then I'll do another coat. So now that Spring Action Day is rapidly approaching, I thought I would get back on the sprucing up the engine bay. I was waiting on these sort of black washers and bolts from Tegawar, but it's been 2 months and I've cancelled the order. So what I decided to do instead, just for the time being, is buy like a pack of plastic sort of nut or bolt covers, like dome covers. So I thought if I could at least cover up the bolts, that'll be halfway there. So you can see I've done 2 already. Yeah, it's annoying, I've still got the silver washer, but tight fit to get on. But they're better than nothing. So yeah, got to look on the positive side. So I think that looks a little bit better. Still need to get rid of these bloody silver bits though at some point, but for the time being. So next, these Jubilee clips annoy me, so I'm going to try and wrap them with something to cover them up. So yeah, I shall pick it up in a bit. So I've switched the Jubilee clip around, so the screw bit's underneath, so I have to come at it from here with a screwdriver, so that's fine, just out of the way. And then I've covered up the Jubilee clip with this neoprene. It's like really thin rubber with adhesive on the back. I've used it before on various things, it sticks pretty well. So yeah, I've covered that. I don't know, I think it looks better. Yeah, I reckon. So I might do the other 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Not sure I'm going to be able to do that little one there. Anyway, we'll do these and see how it looks. There we are, I've done the 6 main Jubilee clips. I can't make up my mind whether I prefer it or not. They remind me of like 80s sweatbands that people would have on their heads. I don't know. Maybe I'll live with it a bit and see if I take to them. Don't know. Drop a comment down below. Tell me what you think. So there we are, ladies and gentlemen. I'm not quite sold on what I've done to the Jubilee clips, but yeah, like I said, I'll live with it a bit and then see if I sort of take to it more. Yeah, so like I said, little quick video, sort of get me back into it. It's hard when you haven't been doing videos for a fair few months to get back in the swing of it, but I should do another video with an update, like I said, of the garage and workshop and what the plans are for the year, so keep your eyes peeled for that one. As for this one, thanks for watching as always. Please like and subscribe, hit the old notifications bell, chuck a comment down below, and I shall see you on the next one. Cheers guys.